Okay, Bob, tell us about this Galaxie.
1963 Ford Galaxie 390 500XL Galaxie. Automatic transmission, two-door. I'm the third owner. One other family owned it. Came out of Riverside, California, and then it's been past Robles for the last 15 years.
Huh. And Riverside County is very dry.
Dry desert.
It's like here.
It's her grandfather, I believe, that gave it to her. Console seats. Bucket seats, I guess, with a console. The air is installed from the factory according to the book.
Mm-hmm.
The owner's manual.
Yeah. Awesome.
Power windows. Power steering.
So this is like top of the line.
Top of the line. Only thing you can get better is you had their 426 or 428 in them.
And this is a 390?
390.
Are they fairly rare? I've never done one.
They made a lot of them in those years. You don't find many in this condition. Original. They're a little heavier than the Chevy Impala.
Dual mirrors.
Yeah. It was unusual at that time.
Mm-hmm. I like those hubcaps.
Yeah. They can be hard to find.
Well, great. We'll move it inside and get a shot of the engine.
Okay.